सारे सवाल खोले हैं, अलग अलग स्पीकर्स के साथ कवर करेंगे। अगला सर मैं आपके पास आना चाहती हूँ, मिस्टर मनोज कुमार झा जी। किसी इंट्रोडक्शन के आप मोहताज नहीं है। सवाल ये है कि प्रजातंत्र में, एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डेमोक्रेसी में हम ये कौन से मोड़ पर आकर खड़े हो गए हैं? हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए राइट्स बेस्ड ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस में, हम पीछे जा रहे हैं। बिना किसी चर्चा के ये बिल को लाने का, पास करने का कॉन्फिडेंस भाजपा सरकार दिखा रही है। और दूसरी बात ये कि ये केवल LGBTQI है, एक विधेयक का मुद्दा नहीं है। मुद्दा ये है कि आप नागरिकों से पूछ रहे हो कि अपनी नागरिकता साबित कीजिए, आप LGBTQI से पूछिए कि अपनी आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ कीजिए। तो ये चल क्यों रहा है और हम यहां पर कैसे पहुंचे?
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for coming in such great numbers here. To all of you. एक खूबसूरत जिंदाबाद आप लोगों के नाम। आपने कितना मासूम सवाल मुझसे पूछा। Those of you who are interested, one day there was a conversation between me and the then minister, Smriti Irani ji. I had asked certain things about LGBT community, LGBT plus. And she tried to ridicule me to my question, and instead she was ridiculed on social media. So that's the wisdom index of this government. I don't wish to comment any further. Number two, आपने कहा कि पीछे क्यों जा रहे हैं? इस सरकार का मानस ही पीछे ले जाने वाला है। Everywhere, every action of this government shall tell you that they are experts in undertaking a reverse regressive bus journey. And that bus is without driver. And there is no signal on the road. This is the sum total of this government. So when, Krishna has, I think, Krishanu has, in fact, made my job very easy. Yesterday night, I asked my younger daughter to help me with this bill, and she did a fine job. She had plans to come here, but she couldn't. But then I should tell you something. In view of Nalsa and Puttaswamy, I think if you examine any aspect of this bill, I think it should not even call for a meeting like this. It should be thrown to the dustbin. Standing committee is a big thing, Sandeep ji. Standing committee, you send a bill when you at least see some merit in it. थोड़ी बहुत मेरिट होती है तो आप सोचते हैं स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में ठोक के बजा करके हम निकाल देंगे। हालांकि इस गवर्नमेंट का एक इतिहास है। If you examine their record of sending bills to a standing committee, it's a very, very poor record. अगर मैं कहूं हमारे बिहार में 30 अंक लाने पे हम पास माने जाते थे, ये 28 अंक लायक भी इनका व्यवहार नहीं है। अगर मैं मूल्यांकन करूं, हमने फॉर्म लॉज के केस में भी कहा था कि रिमेंबर ब्रिटास, दे डिड नॉट। मैं क्यों फॉर्म लॉज की बात कर रहा हूं इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में? आई विल नॉट टेक मोर देन 3 minutes. Please understand, I am sitting with one former member of parliament and 2 members of parliament as of now. ये सरकार संसद से नहीं डरती है, सड़कों से डरती है। They have learned the art of manipulating the parliament, of bulldozing the parliament, but they have failed to bulldoze the roads. जब ये CAA में सड़कों को बुलडोज नहीं कर पाए, उन्होंने CAA प्रोटेस्ट पे बुलडोज नहीं किया, they had to create Delhi riot and then bulldoze certain people. So please understand the power available on the roads. Otherwise, I think what we thought that the government should do, government is not supposed to do gatekeeping. Constitutional morality. Here is the situation. We are in a case of a constitutional morality versus a majoritarian morality. And I don't, because of lack of any other phrase, I have chosen majoritarian morality. That majoritarian itself has cracks. Let's expose them. I'll simply say that we'll have a collective strategy within the parliament. There are members who are present, as I told you, but these members, Renuka ji has a reach across the board. Across the board. And if BJP people, members, can jettison some of their prejudices, she can prevail upon them also. So we'll have a coordination committee within the parliament, but let me reinstate, this can only be won on the roads. Make sure that we fight together. Because last 1 year what I have seen, when the fights are of minorities, we remain silent. When fights are by the farmers, we remain silent. Now is the time. Let's join our fights together. A working class movement, we stand separately. If we have a concerted fight kind of thing, concerted strategy, will prevail within the parliament as well as outside it. And one journalist asked me from, if I'm not wrong, NDTV, what is the major problem of the bill? I said, you are asking for one. I can count you 100. And if I look at the bill, one line I'll just read and finish it off. It further complicates the understanding by referring to incomprehensible clauses like any person or child who has been by force, allurement, inducement, deceit, or undue influence, either with or without consent, compelled to assume, adopt, or outwardly present a transgender identity versus mutilation, and it goes on and on and on and on. As he rightly said, that who are you to decide? And Sandeep ji, while she was explaining, Sandeep ji said, oh my God, what will they do? This is what they are doing in SIR. Exactly, the phenomena is same. The mindset is same. This mindset comes in CA, NRC, this comes in this bill, this comes in SIR. So we need to send the mindset to the standing committee. Thank you, Jai.